What solutions can be recommended to address individual end-user laptop restore requirements? Okay, let's take a look at option 1. Non-managed Windows laptops can use a company-provided USB drive, network share available via virtual private network, or Veeam Cloud Connect repository. That sounds like a good option right there. What else do we have? Veeam Enterprise Manager will be utilized to manage laptop encryption and Windows BitLocker passwords. No, right? BitLocker would be managed by Active Directory, and we're not managing encryption per se here. True Enterprise Manager, at best, it could provide an extra key set, but technically it's managed through backup and replication or through the agent itself. So I don't think that's true. Laptops will need to be evaluated and, where applicable, organized into manageable protection groups. Okay, yeah, well, I guess because we have the big tree, and whoops, I'll pick this one up here. So maybe non-managed laptop protection groups will need native multi-factor. Okay, well that's definitely wrong, right? Because we don't have Veeam native multi-factor authentication. So if number 2 and number 4 is wrong and I have to pick 3, then I guess by definition number 5 must be true. But let's see. Managed Windows laptops and protection group must be part of a trusted domain to use self-restore capabilities. Okay, that seems to be it.